Seychelles, a blissful paradise. Welcome to Seychelles, a gorgeous paradise that has way too many good things going on. This stunning island nation will awe you with its breathtakingly exotic views. Relax on some of the best beaches in the world. These pristine beaches feel like an absolute dream. Enjoy the country's brilliant weather all year round and soak in the beautiful rays of golden sunshine. Marvel and be amazed by the Seychelles' varied landscapes, including granite mountains and lush jungles. Get a chance to explore the islands and witness some of the most unique flora and fauna. Sink your teeth into the island's delectable Creole cuisine, which are as diverse as its landscape. Enjoy plenty of water sports. Whether you prefer scuba diving or snorkeling, there's plenty of marine life to spot. If you love hiking, there are so many fantastic and outstanding hikes across the islands with spectacular views. Revel in a blissful holiday with a range of luxurious resorts and private islands. This is the ideal dream destination for anyone wanting a serene, peaceful getaway. Thanks for watching Travel Center. Subscribe to see more videos from all around the world.